Hello, in this video, we would like to give you some tips on how to improve the quality of HRV measurements. Quality assurance is one of the most important steps in HRV analysis. Even a single artifact can lead to a falsely high HRV. We define artifacts as any signal deflections in the ECG that were marked as sinus rhythm by the HRV scanner, but were not triggered by the autonomic nervous system. These include muscle artifacts caused by movement, signal interference in the ECG, usually caused by insufficient electrode contact, and premature heartbeats, in other words, heartbeats that were not triggered by the nervous system. To identify artifacts, it is best to proceed as follows. Check the heart rate curve for jumps up or down. The nervous system regulates the heart rate in a comparatively gentle and wave-like manner. The nervous system cannot trigger larger jumps. They are almost always caused by an artifact. Check the Poincaré plot in the next step. Heartbeats triggered by the nervous system lie along the bisector in a point cloud. Artifacts, on the other hand, are usually well defined and found outside this point cloud. Once you have identified one or more artifacts, click Auto Filter to remove the artifacts. Then, review the heart rate curve and the Poincaré plot to make sure that all artifacts have been successfully removed. If you are not satisfied with the results of the automatic artifact correction, you can also filter manually. To do this, drag an ellipse around the point cloud so that all artifacts are outside the ellipse. Then click on Exclude to remove the artifacts manually. If too few or no heartbeats are displayed, there is probably a problem with the ECG recording. In this case, zoom into the ECG so that you can easily see individual heartbeats. Make sure that the highest spike points upwards. If this is not the case, and the spike points downwards, the ECG electrodes were probably reversed during the measurement. To correct the error and reverse the ECG, click on Polarity and start a new search for heartbeats. Then remove any artifacts as described above. After that, you can view the results of the HRV measurement. Another tip: if the spike in the ECG is relatively small, although you have established good electrode contact, you can achieve a larger spike with a different ECG lead. To do this, attach the left electrode to the left ankle instead of to the left arm. Make sure that the electrode contact is good here too. You should now be able to register a sufficiently large spike on the ECG.